Okay, another feature of quadratic functions, especially on their graphs, is what we call the vertex of the graph. The vertex of the parabola, remember that the parabola is the graph of the quadratic functions. The vertex of the parabola is the one that's going to give me what's going to be the minimum value or the maximum value. That means what's going to be the highest point and what is going to be the lowest point in my graph. Okay? So in examples number 4 and in 4a and 4b, you can see over here, you have a parabola in here. And in case of example A, we have this point over here. The coordinate for this point is 1 and 5, okay? So my vertex is determined by the y coordinate. That means that my maximum value in here is going to be 5, okay? In example 4b, the parabola is opening like this. It's opening upward, okay? This point over here is my vertex, and the coordinates of my vertex are -2, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here is -5. So the point of my vertex is located at -2, -5. Okay, remember that we move first on the x and then on the y's. And my minimum value is going to be -y. One thing that you have to notice over here is that when the parabola opens downward, you're going to have a maximum value. That's the highest point that you're going to be having in that graph. And when the parabola opens downward like this, when the parabola opens upward like this, you are going to have a minimum value. When it opens downward, maximum. When it opens upward, it's a minimum value. Okay, you're going to be encountering exercises in which you're going to see the graph. You're going to have to determine the point of the vertex, and you are going to have to tell me if that's a maximum or minimum value and what is the value actually.